Once upon a time, in a land filled with mountains and rivers, lived a gentle white snake spirit named Bai Suzhen. Bai Suzhen had dreams of experiencing the world beyond the riverbanks and mountain caves, and longed to understand the human heart. She had heard countless tales of the kindness and compassion that humans could possess, and these stories filled her with a desire to be part of their world. One day, with a flick of her scales and a whisper of magic, Bai Suzhen transformed herself into a beautiful young woman. She made her way to the bustling town of Hangzhou, where colorful markets filled the streets and laughter resonated from every corner. In the heart of this town, there was a kind-hearted herbalist named Xu Xian, loved by all for his remedies and gentle words. The moment Bai Suzhen laid her eyes on Xu Xian, she felt an unexplainable warmth spread through her heart. She approached his little shop, and in that instant, Xu Xian felt as though he had known her forever. Their connection was instant and undeniable. Soon enough, Xu Xian found himself deeply in love with Bai Suzhen. Over time, they married and lived in a quaint little house by the peaceful West Lake. Each day was filled with joy and laughter, as they took strolls and shared stories by the fireplace. However, unbeknownst to them, a jealous monk named Fa Hai harbored a dislike for spirits mingling with humans. Fa Hai had long heard of Bai Suzhen and her enchanting beauty, and he resented the unity she shared with Xu Xian. With a heart full of spite, Fa Hai devised a plan to separate the two lovers. Fa Hai approached Xu Xian with dark tales, trying to unravel the sweet bond between them. But despite his eerie warnings, Xu Xian's love for Bai Suzhen remained unshakable. Nevertheless, when Xu Xian eventually discovered Bai Suzhen's true form as a white snake, he was taken by surprise, and fear clouded his gentle heart. Sensing danger, Bai Suzhen's loyal friend and emerald ally, Xiao Qing, came to their aid. Quick-witted and fiercely protective, Xiao Qing vowed to defend their cherished bond. "Do not fear," she told Xu Xian, "for Bai Suzhen's heart has always been true as your own." With courage and determination, they confronted Fa Hai. Bai Suzhen and Xiao Qing challenged Fa Hai's bitterness and the barriers he sought to enforce. Through battles of will and spirit, Bai Suzhen stood resolute, ceaselessly proving that love and kindness knew no bounds. At long last, Xu Xian understood that it was not the shape or form that defined the heart, but the love and kindness within. He stepped forward, standing beside Bai Suzhen with newfound courage, his heart tendered by the beauty of their shared journey. In the end, love conquered all, dissolving animosity as easily as spring warmed the coldest snows. Bai Suzhen and Xu Xian lived on together by West Lake, their love a beacon of hope, proof that kindness transcends all barriers, even those between worlds. And so, they lived happily, reassuring all that love has the magic to conquer even the deepest fears.